Ever had a payment issue and got stuck waiting days for a response? Most processors only give you generic ticket numbers, not real help when your payouts stall. Here's a quick manual way to organize your payment support contacts. Create a simple support contact sheet in Google Docs with each platform, how to reach them, and any notes about response time. It is helpful when you need to follow up fast, but it still depends on how responsive those processors are. And that's where EasyPay Direct stands out. Instead of automated tickets or call queues, you get a dedicated point of contact who actually knows your business. They will help you resolve payment holds, decline transactions, and gateway issues without the back and forth. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Their direct support and personalized onboarding make a huge difference when your payments matter most. Don't waste time chasing down support tickets. With EasyPay Direct, you get a dedicated contact who keeps your course payments moving, even when others stall. Click the link in the description to get started today.